Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. A couple of quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found at the link up above. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So one of those things that almost, not almost, it does sound too good to be true, but I've been doing it, and it's really, really cool, and it's a really good way to go about risk management as a trader. Not to mention, for those of you that maybe have smaller accounts and are just getting started, one nice thing about futures is there's zero pattern day trading rule. So you can have unlimited day trades every single day, and you don't need a whole lot of money at all. So I'll go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. Oh, and then the other thing that I want to know, and the other nice thing about futures is I'm actually starting up the day $92. That is because futures market is open 6 days a week, 23 hours a day. So there's always time to find opportunities to trade. So that gain down here came from quote unquote last night as of the recording of this video. So I'm starting slightly in the green, nothing big, but just to illustrate the point that even if you have a busy schedule with futures being around essentially around the clock, there's always a time to find a trade. All right, I'm going to try a buy at that green line if it comes up, and it did. And I'm out there. Very good, very good. Sort of a risky trade because it did have some downward strength to it, but I played it as a nice, quick little scalp there. And if you blinked, you missed it. $530 into my pocket there. And wait, what? That trade lasted like 3 seconds. What is? I get it. Scam, I got it. But futures move great. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Futures move very, very nicely. And there is an example of just how nicely they do indeed move. Now, to be fair and to keep it, very, very realistic, yes, they can move very quickly in your favor, as you just witnessed there. But risk management, very, very important because they can move against you very, very quickly if you're not careful. So you got to keep that in mind also. On that note, going to change to a different type of contract that's a little bit less volatile. So short here, just starting. Okay, so out of there now for a little scalp. That number is now at 142. So took that short also. Be careful though, make sure this thing doesn't all of a sudden just do the V shape on me where, it kind of started here and then all of a sudden just, so that would be the V. The brutal move is, the V is already brutal enough, but like if it forms into the check mark pattern, that's even more brutal. Yeah, some great movement here. All right, I'll pause, but nice start here to the session. All right, looking like a momentum move here. In. Small little, oh, doggone it. Yeah, that's what I was scared was going to happen to me at first. That's why I hopped out for a small little loss there. And then you saw it just kept moving up. But that's what I was a little worried of. Uh-oh, was I a little late to the party? I wasn't. I actually left a whole lot on the table there. But that is what I thought maybe was about to happen, which is why I just cut it for, I don't know, like a $30 loss or something. So it is what it is. I will pause. All right, looking like it's trying to kind of form a... There we go. Took out another trade there, so I got those losses back. Just not on that contract. On this one, yes, futures, you trade contracts. But for you options day traders, the nice thing about futures contracts is there is zero theta. You do not have to worry about theta. Now, if you are options day trader and you're like, what's theta? That is a massive red flag. That would be a red flag that you have... you are undereducated in regards to trading options if you don't know what theta is. So FY there. And here we have the check mark pattern. Wow. So as I was talking about, went down. There was the V. but it is just continuing to go up. So there is the check mark. What a move. Wow. All right, on some sort of pullback here, I'd probably be still interested in yeah, I think I'm interested in a long. I just want to be careful one of these where it acts like it wants to be strong, and then all of a sudden it just gives back all its gains. So you think you're buying a pullback, but you're actually buying just to move kind of back to these lows down here. So we'll see how this candle closes, and I'll keep a close eye on it. Well, there has been no pullback. It has just gotten very, very bullish to the upside here. So yeah, the trend line there that was alerted. Well, I guess I didn't talk about that here on this video, but was alerted. Let me just show real quick. So right there in the private community, right there, that was the trend line I drew and talking about is that kind of the key break point. So for any of you members that took that trade, I don't know if you'd still be holding right now, but yeah, congratulations. Absolute beast move. Let's see if we can maybe build some kind of in there. Out again. There we go. Now that is up to 244. Let's pull back. Maybe at this point I might wait for it to come down to, I mean, assuming it does, but I don't know. I just think it just seems like it's had so much upside momentum. But just when you think like, oh man, this thing only goes up, a lot of times that's the moment where your mind is like trying to get you to buy the top. So I'm going to hold off on it now. I'm going to see if it wants to maybe, like I said, make a pullback to that dotted brown line right there, which is a pivot point. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm looking to get short here at that red line. If it comes down, in, out there for another nice, quick little trade. Now up 324 down there. Still waiting and seeing if it wants to get down to the pivot point right there, but that seemed like a nice quality trade there to at least go for a scalp on it, and it worked out nicely. So I'll pause. Let's see if we can find another one. All right, we are now right at that level. Oh, I was a little slow. Another 21 at this point. Just starting extra small here. All right, I'll pause. And now it's bouncing back up, so never mind on that one. And you know what? I think I'm just going to call it good. A little over $800, less than 30 minutes. Hard to complain about that. Before I do go, though, I want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you are a beginner trader just getting started, maybe you're struggling, then I'm very confident this class can offer you some things to help you out, maybe give you some new perspectives to think about and consider. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you are welcome to attend. My confidence level is much lower that you'll walk away with anything. Maybe you will, to be fair, but again, my confidence level is much higher in the categories of beginner trader or struggling trader. So if you're in any of those categories, then definitely get signed up for it. Go to claytrader.com/live, or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Have a good one.